Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the recently concluded Math Count Competition 2025 which was held while ago at Pamantasan ng Lungsod na Maynila. So as a trivia lang guys, yung competition kasi na to, which is a nationwide event, was held at around September 2011, in which I was the first champion for this college competition for both individual and team category. So, sobrang bilis ng panahon, di ba? So, 2025 na yun. Still, yung competition na to is promoting, syempre, yung excellence and enhancement for mathematics skills ng mga collegiate students natin. Pero before that, mga Lodi Cake, shoutout muna kay Allen Dominic Ebonia. And thank you so much, Lodi Cake, sa patuloy na support sa channel ko. And I hope you all the best, Allen. God bless you always. And I hope you all the best, future engineer. So, if 2 raised to 3a minus 1 is equal to 9, and 3 raised to 4b is equal to 8, express b in terms of a. So I think this was just a 40-second problem, or 40 seconds yung time limit for this problem. So kailangan nating malaman, paano ba natin marerelate si b kay a? Kasi sinabi, express b in terms of a. So ang gagawin kasi natin dito guys, we will first try to observe the given bases. Ang base nito ay 2, ito ay 9, ito ay 3, ito ay 8. So for my intuition, ang gagawin ko kasi, yung pinakamalapit na magka-base dyan, is yung 3 tsaka yung 9. Di ba alam natin guys, that yung 9 is equal to 3 squared? Okay? So, anong ibig sabihin yan, Sir IJ? So, from 3 raised to 4b equals 8, etong 4b, pwede natin siyang paghiwalayin as 3 squared raised to 2b. Tandaan po natin, power raised to a certain power, it will just multiply the exponents. So that is equal to 8. Okay guys? So ano na mangyari dyan, Lodi Cakes? So we have 9 raised to 2b, yung nasa loob, sinimplify lang ni Sir IJ, is equal to 8. Kaya lang yung 8 kasi natin guys, we have to express this in terms of, eto guys, base 2. So ano ba ang 8, Lodi Cakes? So that is 2 raised to the third power. So for this case, pwede nating 9 na lang. So, erase natin both sides sa 1 over 2b. So, that will be 2 raised to 3 over 2b. Sir IJ, mabilis po anong ginawa nyo? Ang ginawa lang ni Lodi Cakes is, eto, ni-raise ko both sides sa 1 over 2b para mawala yung 2b na power nito sa left side na equation natin. So, ni-raise ko yun both sides. So, ano na mangyari? 9 is equal to 2 raised to 3 over 2b. Ito yung 9 natin. So, ito, ipalit natin itong 2 raised to 3a minus 1 equals 2 raised to 3 over 2b. Kitang-kita nyo na guys, same base na yun, Sir IJ. Equate na lang natin yung taas. 3a minus 1 equals 3 over 2b. And we are looking for b in terms of a, just switch. So, we have 2b equals 3 all over 3a minus 1. Solving for b, just divide both sides by 2. Or multiply the denominator by 2. So we have 3 over 2 times 3, that's 6a minus 2, which is our final answer. Actually, you can solve this using different approaches. You can using logarithms or other substitutions. But for me, I think this is the quickest way of finding b in terms of a. So if ever have any solutions, feel free to comment on the comment section and we'll discuss it further if ever may correction man or at least tama yung solution nyo. And sana guys may natutunan kayo for today's video and maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord. God bless and bye-bye.